Actors who were selected for a role described as ugly. How did that part feel to play? 1. Had a friend who played Beast in Beauty and the Beast in high school, and there was a kissing scene at the end that involved Beast and Belle, but since my friend, Beast, was butt-ass ugly, the actress playing Belle didn't want to kiss him, so they got a different actor to do the kissing scene as the post-Beast Prince and Lamau. My friend was so fucking pissed and insulted. He had the Beast costume on the whole show, so no one saw him, they only saw the transformed Prince, other actor, who kisses Belle in the end. 2. Had a buddy who was an aspiring actor. He would fall in the Steve Buscemi realm of ugly/odd looking. He knew exactly what kind of roles he would be chosen for and purposely kept his hair and beard in an unkempt manner. 3. I know a guy who got the part in a major motion picture that was described as albino looking inbred kid. It launched his career. 4. I do background/extras type acting, and despite being late 30s, average everything woman, I get more work than a hot college girl because I look more like the average diner customer, mom in a grocery store, wife of older biker gang member at a wedding, weathered bartender, etc. that most movies and TV shows need. I don't mind in the